Ergonomics is a science. According to the International Ergonomics Association, it's defined as a scientific discipline concerned with the understanding of interactions between humans and other elements of a system, and the profession that applies theory, principles, data and methods to design in order to optimize human well-being and overall system performance. Ergonomics draws upon knowledge from anatomy, mechanics, physiology and psychology to utilize human energy most effectively. Something that is ergonomic is designed for safe, comfortable and efficient use. Ergonomics comes into everything which involves people, including work systems, sports and leisure and health and safety. In order to be well designed, they should all embody ergonomic principles. Ergonomics emerged during World War II, when the designers of fighter planes realized the importance of positioning the switches and buttons needed by the pilots in a logical and intuitive way. The discipline grew as a study to include everything that a human does, in work and in leisure. Today, the importance of workplace ergonomics is recognized in the design of these spaces, and the aim is to maximize productivity whilst reducing user fatigue and discomfort. Ergonomic advances mean that instead of a person having to adapt to accommodate technology, its design means the technology is molded around the person. So, what is good design? We've all used pieces of technology that we find simple and easy to use, but most of us will also have encountered more frustrating technology. Products or items that are easy to use have usually been designed with the human in mind. The example we show here is the Sky remote control. It uses intuitive menus that are located within easy reach, allowing the user to quickly navigate through the options and find the one they want. This course is designed to equip you with the basics of workplace ergonomics. It is important to highlight that there are a number of elements that need to be considered in relation to the workplace, including the design of the workstation, the design of the work itself, equipment design, work organization, and the environment. In this case, we will concentrate on workstation design. Here is a question. Are you comfortable? Comfort is a subjective thing. It's a state of mind which results from the absence of discomfort. Our comfort is affected by context. Being seated in the most wonderfully designed chair may feel uncomfortable immediately before a job interview. But being perched on the edge of a radiator, drink in hand and surrounded by friends, can feel very comfortable. Comfort is much more than a soft seat. It's a measure of a design's effectiveness. In the interface between people and machines, comfort is usually the first thing that's noticed, and it's defined by how pleasing it feels to use something. If we don't like to touch an item, we'll avoid doing so. If we don't touch it, we won't operate it, and if we don't operate it, then it's redundant. Conversely, if a product is designed intuitively and is comfortable to use, people will use it, and the higher the levels of physical comfort, the greater the item's usability. It may seem obvious to say so, but the human body comes in a wide range of shapes and sizes. Even two people of the same height are unlikely to have the same length legs or the same upper body dimensions. It follows that the design of a workstation should incorporate a high degree of adjustability so that the user can easily adapt it to fit them. Just as we might adjust the seat and mirrors before driving off in a car, so a workstation should be able to flex to our proportions quickly and simply. The study of the physical diversity of human beings is called anthropometrics, and the designer of a workplace and its accessories must bear in mind the possible range of body size and shape of potential users.